with the KX News Storm Team.
You know, when I look at these KX cams here, it just seems like some views that I really don't want to see in late April. Snow on the ground and temperatures only in the 30s. Also a little bit breezy, so it feels even colder than that. So 30s to around 40 degrees across western North Dakota right now. The wind has dropped off a little bit. Most of these wind speeds that you see on the map here were at least 20 miles an hour during the KX News at 6, so some of them have dropped off a little bit. And there is a chance of rain over the next couple of days, just little disturbances moving on through. There's actually a better chance it will not rain where you're at, but somebody may get a couple of sprinkles. So I'm jumping ahead to Thursday morning, and what I notice is the Gulf is going to be open for business, meaning that between that low and that high, the circulation is going to be bringing some Gulf moisture right into North Dakota, and that's going to be plenty to work with. So here we are Friday morning. Could already have a little bit of rain Friday morning in the southwestern part of the state. Now, the exact timing may be off a little bit, but this moisture will continue Friday morning. And then by Friday evening, yes, more moisture from the Gulf. And this is a very big system. It's not like it's going to miss us, because it won't. It's going to be pumping more moisture. And look at that, yellow in there and the dark greens. That is very heavy rain. It looks like that there's going to be widespread 1-inch rain. Quite a few of us, maybe in the central part of the state, getting 2-inch rain, and some spots might get 3. Okay, and that's just the way it's kind of setting up right now. So even Friday night, a lot of moisture getting pumped in. But at least on Friday night, it's not going to be very cold, but during the overnight hours, colder air is going to be pulled down from Canada. That could start changing some of that over to some wet snow. Hopefully sleet and not freezing rain, because sleet bounces around when it hits, when it lands on things, it doesn't stick. Sleet's infinitely better than freezing rain. So I think we're going to get some colder air, so we should see at least some of it changing over in the west. That moisture still in play Saturday night. So we've got 2 days of Gulf moisture being pulled up here. That low, the lift in the atmosphere, is going to trigger some rain showers, probably steady rain for many hours, and also possibly some light snow. And even Sunday morning, cold air is being pulled down into Canada, but during the day on Sunday, the storm is going to be ending. Now, this is North Dakota Summer Severe Weather Awareness Week, and today we're focusing on tornadoes. And a tornado is a violently rotating column of air from the thunderstorm down to the ground. Now, there's a tornado warning, and there's also something called a tornado emergency. Now, a warning means you take action to protect yourself. There's imminent danger to life and property. Now, what is a tornado emergency? Fortunately, they're exceedingly rare. I don't think we've ever had one in North Dakota, but if you happen to hear that phrase, maybe you're on vacation and you hear that, you need to know that there's a severe threat to life and property and expecting catastrophic damage. Now, we haven't seen that in North Dakota. That's not to say there isn't a lot of damage, but I'm just saying that I don't think we've ever had a tornado emergency. Now, if you would like to learn about all things severe weather in the summertime, you and everybody in your family should go to a Skywarn program. The next one will be tomorrow night in Watford City, and you'll learn about all kinds of things about severe weather. And then on Thursday, we'll be in Stanley. So tonight, 20s, maybe around 30 degrees, and then for tomorrow, 40s and even some 50s again. That's nice. Here's a look at the Bismarck 7-day outlook, and look at these odds. I mean, small chances Wednesday and Thursday, but look at that. 80% is what we're looking at right now. Minot, yeah, we've got another storm system on the way. And I know that farmers would like to space out the rain a little bit, because they got to get out and start planting, but this is what we're dealing with.
Yeah, it's tough. Thanks, Tom.